Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to install Java programming on your Ubuntu operating system 24.04, which I'm using it. This is a part of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and GenAI tools and technologies playlist. Prerequisites for installing OpenJDK Java. You need to have a system or laptop, desktop or laptop system. I'm using Ubuntu desktop version 24.04, which is kind of latest Ubuntu operating system. You can use other versions. So based on that, you need to have an installer and then start installing it. First, we can just start whether start with whether checking the Java version if we have it. So meanwhile, I'll just minimize this slide and then do the installation side by side so that it is easy for you to follow it up. So I'll say Java version. Currently it is not available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this command to update the repositories, which is sudo apt-get update. Provide your root password, sudo access password. So it is going to take couple of seconds to update your repository. So based on your internet bandwidth, it may take time. I think for me it is completed. Then next step is you need to run this command sudo apt-get install OpenJDK 8-JDK. I'll just copy this command, run from your terminal. I'll just clear this terminal and just run this command. So it is going to consume 163 MB of additional space to install this software. I'll say yes. Again, I mentioned as per your internet bandwidth, it will take some time to install this. So I'm using a broadband internet. It's little faster. So it is done. So again, we can verify the Java version. So it says JDK version 1.8.04 underscore 442 is installed. Suppose if you are not able to check the version, what you can do is you can set this Java home environment variable in the your bash rc profile file. So for that, you just check whether your JDK is installed on this location, which is usr bin jvm under jvm java 8 open jdk amd 64 is installed. So once if it is installed, then you should be able to set the java home directory, sorry, java home environment variable, and then start using it. So for that, I'll just use this command to open the bash rc file. Excuse me. Go to the end of the file and paste this. So basically, we are adding this, exporting this Java home environment variable with the path where we have the JDKs installed, and then we are the bin folder of that specific location. We are adding to the root, the global Python environment variable. That's what these two lines of command is doing. I'll paste it here. Control O and enter. This is how we do it in the nano editor. You can use VA editor or whatever you like to do. And then I'll just source this file to refresh the profile, user profile. Anyway, my Java version is already there. So you should be able to check this Java version without any issue. Okay, that's it from this video. If you have any questions or suggestion, please comment this video and like this video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much, friends.